Hello and welcome to Androidia. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can easily reduce MB of any video file without losing quality in Android. Normally if you have been using a laptop, it doesn't matter which operating system you use. Handbrake is a very powerful application to compress video files, and you can reduce size of your files without losing quality. But if you are using Android, you can use this free application. It's called VideoPanda. It is available for Android. You just need to install this application and then open this application, and here you can see a result of final video. The original video has 1920 by 1080p screen resolution and size was 68 MB, while the output video has size of 7 MB, but screen resolution is same. So now let me show you the final video and original video. If we go to our media player, let's view properties. So you can see it has 7.4 MB size and screen resolution is 1920 by 1080p, and let's play this video. Welcome to Androidia. Today this is the original video, and now let's this is the compressed video, compressed version. This is in VideoPanda folder, and now let's view original screen recording. So let's view properties of this file, and you can see it has 68.4 MB size. And now let's play original video. This is original video. So you can see we didn't lose any video quality, but size has been reduced and it is really significant. So if you want to share videos from your mobile device, you should use this free video compressor application. It's called VideoPanda and it is free. You can simply use this one. And let me tell you one thing that I found it is irritating, but when you will compress your video file, it doesn't save your file automatically unless you click on this save button. So don't forget to click on this save button once your video file has been compressed. Otherwise you might lose your compressed file and you will have to compress your file again. Normally it is very simple and easy. You just need to select your video file, click next, and now here you can see we have different qualities. You can also change screen resolution. For smaller video file size you can change screen resolution. The small file size has 640 by 360. Then we have medium quality with 916 by 540 screen resolution, or you can keep original resolution. In my case it is 1920 by 1080p, but it will just compress our video file, and you can see it is the slowest compression time. Then we have fit to email, custom resolution, and some other settings. So overall this is a very simple and easy to use application, and I really like this application on my Android device. But if you are using a laptop or other system, you can use Handbrake, which is a very popular and very powerful application for desktop PCs to compress video files without losing quality. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please consider subscribing our channel for more videos.